It don't even matter if today was the worst day. Just remember what your kin say. That we breathe in, just to breathe out, and we breathe in, just to breathe out. It don't matter what you do, who you see.
But these bitches in my business come me out to choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the metro, might be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. You know, I'm the lowest of the lowest. Crazy, you can keep it like nobody knows it.
Hey everyone, welcome back. I have not introduced the video, but basically I've just finished my breakfast. It is currently 11:26. A lot of time has went by, so basically what I'm gonna do next is I think I'm gonna like get my homework done, get a bit of studying done too, and also I have a bit of a cold. That's why I haven't been talking as much in this video. I have like a sore throat and like a blocked nose, I know, but I still want this day to be productive as it can be, and I still want to get things done, so I'll do that. And yeah, also I haven't uploaded in a long time, I know, but here we are, and we're gonna go do that, and then probably gonna get some content planned for next month, since it's almost the end of this month too. So today's Sunday the 26th, so we're gonna do that. And okay, so hey everyone. I just finished washing the dishes, since there were like a couple dishes in the sink, and I was just looking at the lemons on like the fruit rack thing, and I saw this cup. I was like, let me make some lemon water, because I think, as you can tell from my voice, like I'm not feeling well at all. First of all, I'm on my period. Second, I have a blocked nose, you know, so your girl isn't doing so hot, you know. We're gonna push through, and we're gonna get through it. So is I'm gonna cut up some lemons, put them in here. I don't know whether to do cold water or hot water, but we're gonna figure that out later. But okay, so hi, we've got the lemon water. It actually tastes good. Okay, I feel healthy. Whilst I'm putting just a bit of mascara on because to look alive, I'm just going to answer some questions that I asked you guys to ask me, and this was literally such, wait, hold on. This was literally like such a long time ago. I probably can't even remember it myself, like 4 months ago. But I'm still going to answer them now whilst I do my mascara. Can I get this? How to deal with hate. Yeah, how to deal with hate. Personally, I don't get that much hate, and I'm so lucky that I don't. But I do have occasional comments there, here and there, where I'm just like, you didn't have to say that. There was no need for that, babe. But honestly, I just think, babe, I'm gonna pray for you, because clearly you're the one with an issue. You have a problem, because I'm living my life, and people who comment like that, they're jealous of you. They want to be in your position, and that's why they're hating, because people don't, some people, unfortunately, not everyone's gonna want to see you succeed, and it makes people mad sometimes, which, you know, is a bit mad in itself. But yeah, some people get mad seeing other people succeed in life. So I've just had to learn that, and I'm just like, when I read comments like that, to be honest, I don't even reply, and a lot of you guys reply for me, which I'm like, ugh. But honestly, what I think is just like, those people have issues within themselves, and they're just projecting their issues onto you, and are jealous. Like, you want to be in my position, that's why you're hating, you know, literally. So yeah, that's all I would say. And once again, I'm lucky I don't get 1,000 hate comments, because I'm not that big, so, you know, I don't get that many hate comments. But I've gotten like some comments where I'm just like, yeah, that one hurts. But now when I get a hate comment, I don't even cry, and I used to cry at hate comments a lot. But like, child, girl, you want to be me, so shut up. That's how I think now. Is YouTube stressful? Like, did you ever want to quit? No, I've never thought of quitting, but I've thought of, like, if I'm going through like a rough patch, kind of, I've thought of just like having like a hiatus. That's like a big break from YouTube, just for my well-being. But honestly, I always bounce back, and I come back and realize that, you know, it's what I want to do for hopefully the rest of my life, and it's something I really enjoy doing, so I wouldn't want that to end. So yeah, this is how my lashes looking. Ooh, they look nice. Okay, but yeah, someone said how to be motivated and post and grow. I'm not the best one to ask this question, because I have not been consistent at all, and it's literally mainly because my GCSEs are in like 2 months, and I've just been focusing on that, since I do want to do really well in them, and I want to get like the best grades I can. So I've been like sort of taking a step back from uploading as much, and obviously I always want to be consistent, you know, because I am a determined person, and I'm really passionate about YouTube, and I want to be filming all the time, but that's impossible right now with everything that's going on in my life. So yeah, to be honest, I would literally just say plan your content, things like that, because the fact that I planned this video was going to be today, and I studied within the video, and, you know, I was productive within the video because I planned it yesterday, and I planned what I was going to do in the video, how long it was going to take, when it was going to end, what shots I was going to have filmed in the video, things like that. It really helps because then I feel like I know what I'm doing, and I feel like everything's, because whenever I don't plan things, I tend to just like be overwhelmed with the stress of just going with the flow, because it's like, ugh, I need it planned. Do you have any biggest inspiration? I don't really have any biggest inspiration per se, but I do have some people that I look up to in terms of YouTube. That would be like Angry Tacho. I really like her. Why can't I think? Angry Tacho, really like her. Maya Beatrice, I really like her too. Fernando Ramirez, people like that. Adriana Noriega, I think. Court Reezy, like just people like that. Also like black women who've really made it, just really inspires me. So yeah, and just other people like general, like Emma Chamberlain, like she went to the Met Gala, like things like that. Like I want to see myself there, like I can see myself going there. And you might think, oh my days, I'm very ambitious, but like that's what we want to be, you know. So yeah, I can definitely see myself there, like in like 15 years or so. But you know, let me not even set a time to it, because God knows when. Okay, God knows, like he's got it set up. So yeah. How do you accept defeat? I don't know exactly what that means, but I'll give you an example of when I have. So like if I upload a video in terms of YouTube and it doesn't do as well as I wanted it to, and I put a lot of time and effort into it, it really, oh yeah, I get so down. But at the same time, I'm always just like, you know, everything happens for a reason. If this video didn't do as well as I wanted it to, that's okay, and I don't let it discourage me from uploading further. If anything, it just motivates me to upload more. And if you're consistent, you will do good. If you're consistent, YouTube is going to push out your content and you're just gonna flourish. So yeah. And then the last one that I'm gonna answer is how do you not forget what to say? Like, do you use a script? Also, how many takes do you usually have to go through till you get the best clips? So this is such I'm such a perfectionist, okay? I want everything to be the way I want it to be. I picture it in my head, and if it's not, I will do everything to make it like that. So for me, it does take quite a long time to get the right perfect shots, because that's just who I am, and I want everything to be set out the way I want it to, if that makes sense. But yeah, I would definitely say it takes long for me. And also, I don't necessarily have a script. Like, I don't like write down what I'm gonna say. Depending if it's like a sit down video, I don't write down obviously every single word, but if it's a sit down video, I like plan what I'm going to talk about, what topics, things like that, and like just like break down the video for me to understand better, so I'm not stuttering like this. And then for like videos like this, I just once again break it down into things that I'm gonna do. So now I may have put down like, oh, a little get ready with me / Q&A, and then put the questions down, just things like that. It's not really a script, but I do plan out my videos. Also, I'm a perfectionist, so it takes me so long to get the right clips. It takes me so long, like even to introduce a video, I'm gonna be like, hey guys, I'm gonna be like, oh no, let's do it again, hey guys. Yeah, so it does take a long time, but also I've just learned that like you don't have to be perfect all the time, and that's the beauty cliche, that's the beauty of it all. You don't have to like, hey guys, welcome back to me. Like, I can just stutter, and that's okay, you know. Like it's about being real, and I like being authentic. So people stutter in real life, so why would I not stutter on camera? Because it's something that happens naturally, but sometimes I do stutter quite a lot, so I have to cut it out because I find it annoying. And I don't know if other people would find it annoying, but yeah, I've been talking quite a lot, but if you're watching till this part, I love you so much. Subscribe, definitely subscribe. We're on the road to 10k. We are currently at 8.4k, so 600 from 9k and then 1,000, so 1,600 from 10k, which is absolutely insane. Like, how are we so close to 10k? Like, but make sure to subscribe. Yeah. Oh, my lashes though, I'm so proud of them. Look, they slayed. I'm now thinking of taking a bath, because not a bath, a shower, because I just want to clean myself up ready for tomorrow, because I have school tomorrow. Yay. It's currently 5:37 and I am going to go take a shower, just do a bit of self-care, I guess. I did want to do a sheet mask, and it's literally right in the drawer, but I don't think I am, mainly because I don't want today, I'm not making today a whole like self-care night. I'm just, you know, it's not like a self-care night to the point where I have to do a sheet mask. I just don't feel like it, so I'm just gonna shower, just, you know, body scrub, things like that, and yeah.
I'm in the loop, I'm out of ways. Oh, I stay out the way. Got another slide on me, I like to get it poppin', but these bitches in my business call me out to choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent.
It's me from before I take the shower, but I just wanted to do the outro right now. But yeah, that's it for my Sunday reset video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Follow all my socials and subscribe to my channel, road to 10k. Give a thumbs up. Once again, comment down below this emoji so I know you stayed throughout the whole video, which I so appreciate. You are amazing. Stay amazing. Mwah. You're cute.
What the f you crying for? I'm moving south, it's calling on my face.